So if you have to give it like an advice, right, where to start or how it's the best way to engage with your audience, what will that be?
You'd be surprised how many people post the things that they make within their company on their own website and then think that they're done, right? It's
Yeah.
like, oh yeah, we did make a website and we do have a data sheet or whatever, and we posted it, and why isn't there any traffic, or even worse, right? Why isn't there new customers? I strongly believe in serendipity and also be in places where people are, and the beauty in the sort of the technology / semiconductor industry. There's not that many places where people congregate online, right? The Hacksters, Hackster.io, Revolvers, Arduino communities, GitHub, of course, all the usual places have a lot of people engaged around a variety of topics. It's good to go find those places as opposed to building them. I tried to build Microcontroller Central 15 years ago because I thought I was able to go build my own community site.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it turned out that it was a lot of money and a lot of work, and nobody ever came.
Yeah.
So people are where people are, I guess, and there's a lot of those places. Yeah, so start there, and then there's still the ongoing debate about is it like, are you gonna go have people smell pancakes and popcorn, right?
Yeah.
Or is it, hey, here, look at my thing, and you go in the intellectual route with a white paper? If you talk to tech CEOs, they'll give you their take on the world, and of course they'll give you the whole tech white paper angle. Sometimes I'm like more about the popcorn machine. I think the which is a metaphor, but I think you.
Yeah. No,
it's like.
Otherwise, I should have my popcorn right here, right? No.
Yeah, it's like no, but it's like, how do you go get people's attention to your point? Because nobody has any time to do anything.
Yeah.
It's not easy, but for some of these markets, finding customers also isn't that hard, right? The data center, big iron semiconductor companies like Broadcom or Bell. I'm helping a company called Fabrica right now, which is very interesting. The customer base isn't that large as opposed to the industry that you're in, or some of the things that I have done in my past, selling microcontrollers to the world. Right, there's literally hundreds of thousands of customers. So what do you do? It's different strategies for different people. But then, of course, there's still you can fence it off a little bit by putting like these application areas in and see if you can go elephant hunting within the application areas.
If you like Mind Innovation, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share the show wherever you get your podcast. You can follow Sannah Vinding and Mind Innovation on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And make sure to check out mindinnovation.com. Stay curious and keep learning. See you next time.